Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing video today for I'm going to be unboxing the electronic parts that I received from Hammond Manufacturing for the Experimenting with Extreme Environments Design Challenge. And it comes in the box, looks pretty good. Some paper. So we have 3 items in here, and then this is the enclosure. We'll put that here. It's taped up, but inside here is the Pi carrier board. It's compute module I/O board, and then here's the brains of the Raspberry Pi. This is pretty unique. This board, I/O board, and then this goes on top of it. I'll show you that in a minute. And then we have the antenna. It's a Wi-Fi, and I'm going to use it for Wi-Fi. And that goes on that. Then we have display. Display is alphanumeric display, and looks like it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't have any header pins, so you're gonna have to solder that header pins on there. And I might use another solution that I had for a Pi hat that has a temperature, environment, humidity things, and a display terminal. And then the next is the Hammond, the waterproof container. Has the gaskets and the screws inside. That goes on like this. It's already got the pre-drilled hole, and then it has some gaskets that go in that hole for waterproof. Looks like, yeah, so it has the 3 receptacles. It's a plug, it looks like a plug. And then there's this that goes into this right here. I'll figure out which way it goes in, but so that's the thing for the Hammond enclosure. And then we got the brains of the situation right here, and that's it. Okay, thank you.